What's up, my people? Welcome back to a new video. Let me remove my glasses. Today I wore these ones because of the sun. Wow, now I can't be able to see. But guys, welcome back to a new vlog. As you can see right now, somewhere we have a railway, and I want to show you why they have destroyed all the properties that starts all the way, the properties that belong to the Wamatangi, the governor of Kiambu, because that's where they have started destroying all the things. And the reason why is because they want to build this rail, or the railway station. They want to build a railway station here that will be ferrying people all the way from this side to connect to Kibra to Talanta. That is the Diruta station. So they are destroying all the people who held businesses. For example, behind me you can see there was a garage here that has been destroyed, and they're saying because these people had built their businesses on government land, actually the Kenya Railway land. So they're trying to get that back so that they can be able to build this rail. Remember guys, all this is happening because of the AFCON 2027 that is going to be happening in our country here in Kenya. So they're trying to find ways where most of the people will be able to be ferried to Talanta, and the easiest way to do that is, guys, especially because we saw there's a lot of traffic on the way to Talanta, that is in Gong Road. So they're trying to build so many rails so that they can be able to ferry people, because you know a train carries a lot of people and there's no traffic in a train. Yeah, so that is what you're doing, guys. Let me show you what has been done, what has been destroyed in this video. And if you love this video, comment down below, let me know what you think, and give this video a like. And yeah guys, let me show you what has been destroyed. A lot of property have been destroyed, guys. A lot. As you can see, these are the properties that are remaining. I think people are doing the last chagua things. And some of these people you see here are the people who owned businesses around here. So you can see some cars were destroyed, like this lorry. Guys, can you see the car behind the lorry? They were destroyed during even some of these containers, guys, you can see. Then that is the rubies. And then there was a club here where I was showing you guys. They're trying to get the materials that were remaining. As you can see, we have been allowed to pass through this rail so that we can show you. Guys, the property was destroyed from all the way down there, all the way from that side, as you can see, all the way to the down part. And then you have the police are so many, and they are trying to not allow people to get inside, especially the slum boys. Can I call them the slum boys, because they are destroying some properties. Yeah, so these are some of the. Pia ulikuwa na kazi hapa?
Si huku garage huko mwisho.
Oh, pia yenyewe imekuwa destroyed.
Tunataka tuingize gari, tumeng'ang'oa vitu zetu tutoe.
Huko juu.
Unaona kwa zile nyumba kwa kuta hivi ile estate. Kitu na kwanza na
Nenda huko hata imegonga.
Endeni kwanza mfike huko.
Huko ndio wasi?
Thank you, mom. Okay.
Sawa. So guys, that was some of the people who are saying their properties were destroyed.
Iko na view poa?
Iko na view? Ai, hapa una mafi na kunukia tu hapo. Kwani imeenda duko mwisho ama tuende kidogo hivyo? This is the garage, but in this garage they're saying they only removed the shed. As you can see, these are some of the materials that had built the garage. Have the iron sheet, some wood. So you can see they just removed the sheds, but the cars were not destroyed. Yeah. So guys, the reason why they are doing this is because apparently they want to build a train station here, because As you can see, down here we have this rail that is passing all the way to town, and they want to connect this rail to another rail that will be taking people to Talanta. Guys, do you remember I showed you a video of the Gong rerouter train? So they're also building another one that will be ferrying people all the way from town, Kibra, all the way they pass through to go to Talanta. Remember, all this is being done because they want to be able to ferry people during the AFCON. So that's why you have seen this has been destroyed completely, all the way to down there. So that is where the end of this garage is, and it's actually a bit big because it goes all the way down there. I have probably shown you guys. Wow, see. So this is the rail. They want to build a station here. So I'm not sure where the station will be specifically because they have destroyed the properties all the way down there. You can see down there. Let me try to zoom in. I have that building all the way, and people are really complaining because I think I've already seen a woman who was complaining here about this garage. Yeah. So guys, what do you think? Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. For me, I feel like maybe they would have, or maybe probably they give them warning. I'm not sure. But a good thing is they want to build a station, and they're saying this land was grabbed. It belongs to the Kenya Railways. So it's good. They want to do something positive for the Kenyan people. But also, it's sad to see people losing their properties, right? But we hope, or I'm hoping they were told to remove their things before. And although we have seen so many things were destroyed, where we had the club, because I think they destroyed things when people were there, or where property was still inside. Nah. Yeah, I'm not sure, guys. Comment down below. Let me know whether the people have been given a warning or not, and let me know. But you can see this garage was very big, and at least in this garage they didn't touch the cars. As you can see, the cars were not touched, but all the structures that were there, they were taken down. This is the railway line here. Oh, bado tumepatana na wewe huko.
Tumepatana na wewe ndiye ametuambia. Na tunataka kietu.
Mnataka kienyu?
Ndio.
Amka mumeambiwa kutabomolewa.
Unasikia wanasema hapo explainiwa hata vizuri. Sisi tumewaelezea kwa nini imebomolewa, hata wakasema ndio wameelewa sasa. Na sasa mbona
ndio tumeelewa?
Hili channel tunataka. Unajua hata watu wa KTN tumewaacha.
Sasa mimi nikianza jina yangu naitwa Ruben Otieno Mirasi. Kutoka Semsabondo. Sasa ile kitu tulikuwa tunaomba serikali atupatie hata mali tunaweza enda tukae, hata kama ni kulipa tunaweza lipa. Alafu ile kitu pia tunaomba sasa, hii kitu imefanyika kwa time mbaya. Januari watoto wanaenda shule, hakuna hata pesa ya shule kwanza. Tuko tu, yani imekuja tu roughly. Hata vile walikuwa nasema ati watu watoke. Unajua ni vizuri watu kama mtu amkwambia utoke na kupatia tu hata muda kidogo na kuambia tu after hata 3 months at least tungejipanga. Ndio maana hata sasa hivi bado tuko tu. Yaani baada hatuja decide tuende wapi ama tuende pande gani. Hata hiyo ndio tulikuwa tunaomba serikali hata tungeangalia tu kwa pande nyingine mali tunaweza enda. At least hapo tunaweza saidia tupate riziki ya kila siku. Watoto pia wapate pesa ya shule, ya nyumba pia ipatikane.
Unaongelea mambo ya hii garage. Kwa kila mtu anafikiria vitu vimebomolewa ni za Wamatangi.
Yeah, watu walikuwa na udani pia wamebomolewa pia peke yake ni ya Wamatangi, lakini sisi pia hapa tumebomolewa. Magaraji kama 10 zimebomolewa hapa. Kila watu walikuwa na magaraji zao, kila garaji ilikuwa na owner zao. Sasa hapa sasa imebomolewa, hata tujui tutaenda wapi, hata baada hatuja decide ile tutafanya. Tulikuwa tunaomba tu serikali pia angalie kati, jua tujui ya kesho itakuwa aje. Ukiwa na njaa watoto wanaenda shule, hakuna kitu tuna nini. Tunakuwa tunaomba tu tunaweza pata place nyingine, bali tunaweza kaa kidogo. Kama bado tunapanga vile tunaweza fanya. Hayo tu.
Hapa kulikuwa na nini? Hii inakaa bridge ya walk bridge. Najengwa ama?